Hello, this is Solomon Davis, Right Side Trader. The day is October 14th, 2023, and it's my weekly market review where I'm reviewing the S&P 500 on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only, no trading recommendations here, even though I may talk about trading. If you're interested in trading, please contact us here at Right Side Trading, or check with your financial advisor, check with your significant other, and see if trading is even something that is suitable for you. Okay, let me just jump right over here into the chart. I want to jump right in here. As we can see, the SPY is trying to turn around, but it ran into a little problem this week, just like all the indexes did here at the end of the week. But let's maximize this chart and drill on down in here, and let's see what I see and wrap this on up. As I say on the quarterly chart, the SPY has been looking good. We're expecting it to turn around. I'm expecting to probably at least get back to the top of this range. I don't know right now, since we're in that fourth quarter. I don't know if it's going to be able to cross the line up here and get us that touchdown, that home run, that field goal and break all-time highs. I don't know if that's going to actually happen this year, because it's in that fourth quarter, and this has been a lot of supply up here, keeping this market down and below that. We haven't made another leg to the downside, but we are kind of going sideways up here right now. 2 quarters. It's going into the second quarter and not getting above 4,600. Able to close above that level. All right, let's go ahead and take a quick look at the monthly chart. On the monthly chart, we had looked like it was getting below the 10 or below the 9, where we would say technically we are in a bear market. We are back above that, so that bull market is back on. And again, like I said, we're going to be looking to attack these tops here this last quarter, in the next couple of months. The question is, we're below pivot. Can we even get above pivot? These are quarterly pivots, and also this is for the quarter. That's why I have these here. Can we get above that? And then if we do get above that, will we even get above a resistance 1? That's why now I'm at that point where I don't know if we're going to actually be making all-time highs this year. Because to make all-time highs, we actually have to go all the way up to a resistance 2 on these quarterly points and above that. And that's kind of the SPY does do it every now and then, but not that often. So I really don't expect us to break this high this year now. It won't be in probably until next year. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at the weekly chart and see what I see there. On the weekly chart, like I said, we did have a green week, and I'll zoom in a little bit here where you can see we are forming a candle pattern again, a morning star down here. This candle is not quite as big as we like it to be, but it did close above this previous week high. The thing is, now will we get a confirmation candle? So I can easily see us, one of my rules is below pivot, stay below pivot for the month, but I can see us breaking this pivot point and actually really going up to a resistance 1. And again here, as you can see on this time frame for next week, although we got a few more weeks in the month, it's going to be hard for us to even just this month to break this high. We'll have 2 more months after that to break this all-time high type stuff. So that's why, again, I'm getting that. Yeah, that's why I'm getting to that point where I don't know if we can actually make all-time high by the end of the year. So that's what I'm seeing. Let's go down to the daily noise and see what we see there. Zoom in here, and you kind of can see, what happened here, this week. This week we kind of formed some bottoms down here from the previous week. We did get confirmation coming up out of there on Monday, Tuesday. Then Wednesday, we got getting close to a resistance 1 on the weekly pivot. Couldn't break a resistance 1 level. We couldn't feel this gap right here. This selling pressure that's pushed this market down still had some supply over here, and they still had more product to sell. So again, it seemed like this is going to be a tough area, just getting back above 4,400 and all. So we gotta wait for the next couple of weeks, I think, before we even break that level. Unless something crazy news come out to make a big change in the market. That's just what I see at this time. So I expect maybe a little bit more downward pressure, and I don't expect us to break 4,400 here, maybe even this month, with the next couple of weeks, because it might take a couple of weeks to actually get back above that level since we've been dropping here. And Yeah, since we've had 2 weeks down, it's going to be a rough road trying to break 4,400 at this time on the SPY. And that's all I really want to share. This is Solomon, Right Side Trader. Hope you guys had a great week. Hope you guys are having a great weekend. And I'll talk to you later. Have a good one. Talk to you next weekend. Until then, have a good one. Bye.